In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use app.photoroom.com to create stunning photo edits with ease and precision. Let's dive right in. First, we begin by heading over to the Create section on app.photoroom.com. This is your starting point for all your creative projects with Photoroom. Once you've navigated there, you'll see an option prompting you to drop one or more photos. Clicking this will allow you to upload the images you wish to edit or enhance. Whether you're uploading from a local device or selecting from a cloud storage service, make sure these photos are the ones you'd like to work with because they'll become the foundation of your project. After you have your photos ready, you will click on Insert. This step is straightforward. It essentially tells the program that you're set to include these images in your workspace. Being organized is key here. Make sure all the pictures you need are inserted to avoid interruptions in your workflow. Next, you're going to click on Select an Image. This option allows you to choose which image you'd like to work on individually if you uploaded multiple photos. This is where you start individual edits, perfecting the image to meet your vision. It's a good point to consider what changes or effects you'd like to apply to each specific photo. Once you've selected your images, you can click outside the workspace to see all your layers. This step gives you an overview of everything you're working on. Layers are a great way to manage complex edits, letting you make tweaks without affecting the overall image. It's beneficial to familiarize yourself with how layers work if you want to use Photoroom to its fullest potential. Finally, drag to rearrange the layers to adjust how they overlap within the project. This is perfect for creating depth or focus in your image. For example, placing an object in the foreground or background can change the whole appearance and outcome of your edited photo. Don't hesitate to experiment at this stage. Moving layers around can produce surprising and innovative results. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have the tools to transform your photos using Photoroom, turning them into captivating works of art or professional-grade images. Remember, the key lies in experimentation and practice. So don't be afraid to try out different combinations and effects. That wraps up our guide for using app.photoroom.com. Thanks for joining me, and happy creating!